Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the West Community Credit Union mobile banking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. West Community Credit Union Mobile Banking is a mobile banking app designed to provide members of West Community Credit Union with secure and convenient access to their accounts from their smartphones. The app offers features such as balance checking, viewing recent transactions, transferring funds between accounts, paying bills, depositing checks via mobile camera, managing cards, and locating branches and ATMs. It is available on both iOS and Android and supports secure login methods including fingerprint and Face ID where supported. The app's main feature is its all-in-one mobile banking dashboard. Users can instantly check their account balances, deposit checks remotely, transfer money, schedule payments, and receive alerts for key account activity, all from their mobile device. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users praise its intuitive interface, dependable mobile check deposit, and quick access to account details. The ability to manage their cards, set alerts, and complete routine banking tasks from anywhere also adds significant convenience. For instance, mobile deposit is super easy and balance checking is fast. Example user feedback. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report that mobile deposit limits or processing times may vary depending on account type or institution policy. Others mention that advanced features such as full external account linking or extensive financial analytics might not be included. Occasional app update hiccups or device compatibility issues may occur. In summary, the West Community Credit Union mobile banking app may be worth using if you're a member who wants reliable, mobile-friendly access to everyday banking, viewing balances, transferring funds, depositing checks, and paying bills. However, if you need advanced financial planning tools or multi-institution integrations, you may need supplementary services. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.